Here, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I know this gentleman. This gentleman and I go way back. This is Marshall McNeil. What's he doing here?
What do you have with Marshall McNeil?
Marshall McNeil and I had a few run-ins a couple years back. It's absolutely true, and he got the best of me at the last one, and I'm surprised to see him here tonight. It was a sucker punch. I have never seen anything like this in my life. The ring announcer getting tossed.
And he was doing a terrible job.
The following contest is a handicap match. Introducing first, from the Boiler Room, weighing in at home combined weight of 375 pounds, here are the Boiler Room Boys.
Marshall McNeil taking over ring announcing his first match of the night, introducing the Boiler Room Boys. This is going to be a handicap match tonight. And wait to hear who their opponent's going to be. They are not fan favorites, that's for sure. Hey, Gorgon, he's got a new outfit. He must have made a couple extra bucks down in the Boiler Room. Gorgon is the one carrying the yellow workman's hat. P40 in the blue, and in the dark blue, carrying the helmet is Gorgon. They are the Boiler Room Boys.
And their opponent, hailing from Hartford, Connecticut, weighing in at 170 pounds, Bobby Ocean.
Bobby Ocean. One of the fan favorites and one of my personal favorites. Again, Holyoke Joe, this guy knows how to wrestle, he knows how to brawl, he knows how to do it all.
Yeah, it's unfair. And it's not unfair because it's 2-on-1. It's unfair because Bobby Ocean is going to beat the hell out of both of those guys right now.
I think you're right about that one. The Boiler Room Boys think they got to walk in the park. I don't think so tonight, noobs.
Well, they could surprise you here tonight. Boiler Room Boys are no joke. Multiple tag team champions.
He's not the biggest wrestler, but he might be one of the most intimidating. He loves this business, he loves his job, he takes it very seriously, and tonight he's taking on the Boiler Room Boys.
Even the great Bobby Ocean get taken out. We've seen that before.
Now, will both Boiler Room Boys be in the ring at the same time, or will they be tagging in?
I think they're going to be in the ring at the same time.
I think otherwise. I think they're going to be forced to tag. Let's just see how the referee lets it play out for us. You're right, Noobs. I'm sorry to say. I was wrong.
This is even...
I was hoping things would be a little more clear.
Now this is going to put Boiler Room Boys in a better position. They're going to be
elbows
both...
and right hands right now by Bobby Ocean on both members of the Boiler Room Boys.
Both of them are going to be in the ring at the same time, so that's going to give them a little advantage. Double team.
Kick to the face right there.
You might just take him out for the rest of the match. You get a one-on-one match now.
Bobby Ocean off the rope. P40 goes down a little bit early.
God.
Showed his hand right there. Bobby Ocean. Awesome clothesline right there with power. Have some turnbuckle, Mr. P40.
Bobby Ocean gives some of the hardest hits here in the UWD. Everything, clotheslines, punches, kicks.
That European uppercut, he looked like he was a bobblehead there for a second.
Never forget when he kicked the ear off of Soulfly.
Elbow to the side of the head. Looks like Gorgon sneaking up on Bobby Ocean from the outside. Here comes the double team expertise now of the Boiler Room boys. And like you said, Noobs, no DQ.
I know things. Don't worry about that, Joey.
Drop toe hold right there. 2 count only. P40 going for a count now. 2 count only.
The Boiler Room boys are keeping Ocean down.
Off the ropes right now. Double team up underneath.
Oh.
And they dump Bobby right on the top rope, right across the throat.
I thought he was going right out the ground.
He would have been out for a long time.
I think going out might have been his better bet. He went right across the top of that with on his throat. That's going to cut off the wind to his throat, that's for sure. If you can't breathe, you're not going to be able to wrestle.
Took my attention away from the match for a second. I noticed over here to my right, the spot match about 2 children. 2 brand new UWD DVDs. They're not waiting to get them on the website. They're going to purchase them right here at the store.
Every month you get yourself a DVD. If you miss the action 1 month, don't worry about it. We have it for you every month here at the Springfield Turned-Green. All the information, UltimateWrestlingDynasty.com. Find out more. And it looks like Bobby Ocean. He's in a little bit of a problem right now. Not a smart move on the Boiler Room boys, teasing Bobby Ocean like this.
They've kept him down for a while, though. They could come up here with the upset. Usually in a handicap match, the person who's by himself is not at an advantage, but in this one it is.
They are having their way with Bobby Ocean right now.
They're getting a little cocky in there. They better put Bobby Ocean away before he gets a second wind right now. There's an elbow. There's another one. Make it 3. Right hand.
Oh my God.
Elbow to the face of P40. That was nasty.
Pushing one of the others.
Bobby Ocean taking over on P40 right now. Snap snooplex right there. Nice move.
He's going to have to incapacitate one of these guys so much so that he can pin the other one. Because there's always going to be one guy to break up a pin every time he goes to try to pin.
A very good call there, Holyoke Joe. One of these guys, he's got to get outside the ring. Oh, double DDT right there.
All 3 men are down right now.
They are indeed. Bobby Ocean looks like he's not moving right now. Boiler and boys trying to get to their feet. And right now, Bobby Ocean is in a heap of trouble unless he can get behind him. The fans here.